Our next topic that we're going to look at is called mass percent. And I'm going to use our previous problem that we did for gram formula weight of aluminum sulfate, because in order to do mass percent, you need to do this work first. Once you have that done, it's easy to convert it to mass percent. So for mass percent, we're looking to see what percentage by mass each of these elements makes up of the ultimate compound, of the overall compound. So I'll slide this up so we can see our formula here. So we want to know what percent is aluminum, what percent of it is sulfur, and what percent of it is oxygen by mass. If I list my three elements, I have aluminum, I have sulfur, and I have oxygen. If I know my total mass of aluminum is 53.96 grams, and then I'm going to divide that by the gram formula weight, which is the total mass, 342.14 grams, times 100%. It's going to tell me that my compound is 15.77% aluminum. If I know the total mass of sulfur is 96.18 grams, and then I place that over what my whole compound weighs, which is at 342.14 grams, times 100%, I find out that my compound is 28.11% sulfur. And if I take 192, which is my total weight of oxygen, and I put that over the 342.14 grams times 100%, I find out that that is equal to 56.12%. And so now I know what each percentage of my compound is by mass. Biggest mistake in this is that people use this column instead. So instead of putting the total mass of oxygen as 192, people put 16 here instead, or 32 here, or 26. But remember, we need to put the total mass. A nice, easy way to check is that if you do all the elements and we add them up, if I add up these columns, I should end up with 100%. Or something very close, 99.9 or 100 and then a decimal or something, just because rounding might make it change a tiny little bit. But it shouldn't be something like 97%, and it shouldn't be something like 105%. And certainly if you put 16 here instead of 192, this grand total number would be significantly less. Looking at something like 45%, which then you would recognize that you've made that mistake. And so we're looking for it to equal 100%. Again, this here, this is the work that you need to show me for solving for mass percent. This is what I'm going to be looking for. This layout with the elements listed so I know what element you're talking about, showing me the work with the fraction, showing me that you multiply it by 100, and showing me the percentages.